All right, for our second guided practice problem, we're going to multiply 83 times 25 using, again, the area model. All right, so just like the first problem, what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab a pencil and I'm going to make this 8 into an 80. All right, and I'm going to make this 2 into a 20. All right, so that's expanded form. So it's 80 plus 3 gives us our 83, and then 20 plus 5 gives us our 25. All right, so now 80 times 20 gives us 1600. All right, I'm also going to put the 1600 inside this green box right here. All right, now for the yellow box, 80 times 5 is 400. So I'm going to put a 400 in this box. For the pink box, I'm going to do 3 times 20, which is 60. So I'm going to put a 60 in the pink box. And then finally, the blue box is going to be 3 times 5, which is 15. So 15 goes inside the blue box. And then finally, to get the area of the shape, okay, I'm going to add up all these areas. So 1600 plus 400 is 2000. 2000 plus 60 is 2060. Plus another 15 would be 2075. So the area of the box would be 2075 square units.